Thank you. I know. Get your driver. Get your feet on the white dots. Line up. Okay. Make sure you're holding your club right. There you go. Ready, set, go. Oh, try again. Make sure you line up right. No. Okay. Put another ball on.
Are you teaching me?
Yeah.
I'm taking the kitty cat shoes.
No. I just want the pro golfer here. You need help?
Thanks.
Okay, hang on. Feet back. Let me get you on tape here. Line up your club. Okay, pull it back. Go. Okay, put another ball on. You're doing a fabulous job.
This is going to be a farm.
Ooh. Do it again. Okay, step back. Feet on the dots. And step back just a little bit. Okay, ready? Nail it. Great job.